Good morning, student. In your class 6 subject maths, chapter 2 basic geometrical ideas. Student, I will explain to you circles. First, a circle is a simple closed curve. It is the set of all points in all plane that are situated at the equal distance from the given point is called center. So students should be make a circle. Suppose is it your circle? Take point of needle is there. See this point we are indicated by O, and this is called center. This is called center. Is it clear, student? Center. The distance around a circle is called circumference. Distance around the circle means all of outer boundary of the circle. Is it called circumference or perimeter of the circle or perimeter of circle? So these are outer length of the boundary, that is called circumference. The student listen next things, radius. What about radius? Radius should be make of circle. Take the center to this, that is O, and this is P. The distance to O to P, that is called radius. Is it clear, student? They are represented. The radius is the line segment that join the center to a point of on the circle. OP is the radius, and then go diameter. Diameter is a line segment whose end point lies on the circle and passes through the center of the circle, like this. That is your diameter. Means those lines should be go with the touch of center. That is we call A to B. This is called diameter. So diameter is equal to 2 radius. D is equal to 2 R. So R is equal to D by 2. Means in one diameter is divisible by 2 sector, like OB and OA. This is called radius. So student understood these things. Now go take a chord. In the circle, suppose it is your circle and there the center of the circle. So diameter the longest chord of the circle, that is diameter. These are presented OP and PQ. These are the chord, and LM also the chord of the circle. These are the chord. The chord is a line segment whose end point lies on the circle. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Is it clear, student? So these are the diameter. A diameter is also a chord. Okay. Diameter is also chord. This is the longest chord of the circle. Now we are finding the arc. Arc. So arc is L to M. That is the distance between L to M. Arc a part of circumference of the circle. Part of circumference. Circumference, you know about outer boundary of the circle. This is called circumference. And part of the circumference is it called arc. Part of the circumference is it called the arc. Interior and exterior of the circle. A circle divided plane or which is into three parts. First is interior of the circle. The region inside the circle is called the interior of the circle. The circle and its interior make up the circle region. Means all the things in which represented inside the circle, that is called interior of the circle. Boundary of the circle, circumference is called the boundary of the circle. Circumference is the boundary of the circle. Now go third thing, exterior of the circle. The region outside the circle is it called exterior of the circle. Now go segment and sector of the circle. Segment and sector of circle. So student should be make up circle. The segment is region between the chord and arc. It joined the figure like this. Is it your circle? This part, the part is L and M is the chord, and their arc is also represented by the circumference. Part of the circumference is called the arc, and L and M is the chord. That is called segment. That is called segment. And given the definition is the segment is the region between the chord and the arc. It joins the given figure. Shaded portion of the segment is it called segment. Now go sector. The center point should be made the distance between two radius. That is area. That area they will call with the sector. The sector is between the arc and two radius. Arc, which you know, part of the circumference of the circle with two radius, is it called sector. So this is the part of the circle. So you can do in exercise 4.6 in fair copy. This is all the things you should be maintain in fair. Thank you class.